All right, favorites. Licensed Primary out of St. Thomas ended day 2 of the Insports Primary School's All-Ireland Track and Field Championships in the lead after dominating the day at the National Stadium on Friday.
Two records were broken on the day as Spanish Town Primary sped to 58.08 seconds to win the boys' Class 4 sprint medley ahead of St. John's Primary in 51.25 and Naggohead 51.75. Licensed Primary also lowered the record for the Class 4 equivalent, clocking a minute 00.54 seconds ahead of Spanish Town Primary and Greater Portmore. The three-time champions' license were impressive across the sprints as they won 3 of the 6 100-meter finals. Kelisa Burke took the Class 3 girls final with 13.76. Cathalia Roberts captured the Class 2 girls title with 13.21, and Jermaine Johnson won Class 2 boys in 13.14 seconds. They were also dominant in the relays, securing valuable points in 7 of 8. They will resume day 3 with 154 points, followed by Spanish Town Primary with 136 and Naggohead third on 70 points. The Class 1 100-meter for boys went to the impressive Kaif Grant of St. John's Primary in 12.42 seconds.
So at the start of the race, the gun blew. I went out. I wasn't in the lead like in the first 10 meters or so. And then in the middle of the race, I started to take the lead. And in the end, I came out as the winner.
Ariana Lewis of Half-Tree Primary outclassed her peers to win the girls' Class 1 equivalent in 13.43.
I was not pleased with the time, but the start was pretty good, I guess.
Half-Tree Primary took the Class 1 girls 4x100 meters, winning with 52.04 seconds. License 52.50 were second, and Spanish Town third in 53.13. The Class 1 boys sprint relay was won by Spanish Town Primary in 48.98, ahead of St. John's Primary 51.25 and Naggohead 51.75. The cricket ball throw for boys was won by Romel Codlin of Western Era champions Barracks Road Primary with 58.36 meters.
It was a very competitive season for me because most of these boys were very strong. And the only thing that got me to the first place was my parents, my friends, and my teachers.
The meet ends on Saturday. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.